What's going on, everybody? It's Dapper Dill here with another Volvo video, except it's not outside. My Volvo is not in here. Instead, we'll be unboxing this surprise, maybe? I don't know if it'll be in the title, it won't be a surprise. It's a VS Racing Turbo. It's a company down in Texas that builds turbos for significantly less than you'd get name brands such as Precision or Garrett. And we're gonna unbox this and then talk about future plans for the Volvo. So I came to the realization that it's probably not a good idea to tune my car with a turbo with almost 170,000 miles on it. They usually last about 150,000 miles before they need to be rebuilt. And as far as I know, mine's still good, but I'm not going to trust it with a stage, 2.5 tune. I did have a Turbo Smart Shorty compressor bypass valve for it, which I never got the chance to install, and it's brand new, which will be for sale because I am going a different route. I'm getting away from the K24 and going with this. This turbo is on the website Turbo for Less, or you can Google VS Racing and it'll come up. Now this turbo was part of their twin package, except I didn't get two, I got one. It's a 6162. Got all wrapped up in some foam right here. I haven't seen it yet. I'm super excited. Oh my god. It is. Alright, so we have some gaskets. Those are important. Very important to avoid any leaks. Oh baby. I don't know if it'll fit. It's big. Oh yes. Got some covers on it. So, oh yeah. It's like a Chinese, like an eBay turbo, except much better quality. I'm not going to be running an insane amount of boost. There's people that run these in very, very high horsepower cars. Obviously my Volvo is not going to be like super high up there, so I think this will be just fine. We'll see how it performs with it. I think it's equivalent to the GT 3582. So it's massive. It is nice. I'll go get the my spare K24. That is for sale too, and we'll compare it. AR 0.82. Oh, it's beautiful. I just hope it fits where I need it to. I'll be right back. Okay. This is the K24 Turbo. It has an internal wastegate, and then this is its compressor bypass valve right here. And the inlet to the charge pipe is V-band. These hopefully are the same and line up. That is to the exhaust manifold. One thing that's majorly different, I'm gonna have to alter the downpipe because this end, obviously see, 3 studs, whereas on this turbo it was V-band. So we'll have to find an adapter, or we'll cut the flange off the downpipe and put in one for V-band. This one's not V-band, whereas this is for the charge pipe. But my charge pipe is the snap, so it has the V-band adapter, so I'll just get a larger silicone hose to extend, fit over the top of that. That should be no problem at all. And then we have a much larger snab air intake pipe, which I'm hoping is big enough to fit on this. If not, we'll have to get another one. We'll see how that goes. But this, obviously you see, it doesn't have the internal wastegate. So one will be, depending on how it fits in the Volvo, we'll cut it open right here and we'll weld a wastegate on top. It'll probably be a Tile or a Turbo Smart. And this turbo doesn't need to be oil and water cooled or coolant cooled. It can just be oil. So we'll have to make sure our oil feeds fit appropriately. We may need some custom lines built to fit it in. And then we'll get in a blow-off valve, probably welded on the charge pipe itself. And I can't wait for my car to get this, and then once this is in, we'll get it tuned. So it's not gonna go in my car how my car is now. I have a spare R engine. I'm gonna check the compression of that engine, make sure it's good. I'm gonna pull the head off, send it to Larry's Machine Shop in Groton, have them rebuild it and deck the surface. Make sure that's completely good to go. The block is gonna be shimmed. That way it holds more power, don't have to worry about any cracking. And then we'll build that engine and fit the turbo on. And then when that's all set to go, we'll pull the engine out of the car, or that's in my car now, and swap it for this extra one. That way I still have a car until I can afford to get a very cheap daily, and I can just let that car sit for now and build it a little more. But I am super excited. I've been working an insane amount to be able to get this stuff, so it's paying off. It'll be a very fun Volvo. It's a V70R. I've seen quite a few high horsepower S60R builds, but none for a V70R as of right now. There's some with the K24, K26 hybrid. I haven't seen any with turbos like this, but we'll make it fit somehow. It'll take some fabrication, but we'll get it done. It'll be really cool. I'm super excited. I am trying to get some weight out of the V70R2. It's a wagon, it's super heavy. The rear seats are out right now due to the fueling issue, which is fixed. It was the fuel pressure regulator. It was a pain in the butt, but that's good to go now too. We have the DW300 fuel pump where you can run E85 if we want to, but we have the Snow Performance water meth kit, so I don't see any point to run E85 and water meth. We're just get a bigger water meth tank in the back. That way we can spray when we need to, and it'll be awesome. This car's gonna rip. I can't wait to take you guys through the process of getting that engine cleaned up and nice to put this turbo on it. I know this is a very short video, but it's just a little update, a little unboxing of the VS Racing Turbo. I honestly don't know what the compressor blade count is. I didn't look into it. Their customer service was awesome. I was on the phone with them. We were talking about the Volvo, what turbo it has in it now, and what turbos he has that will work with it, and what modifications would be necessary to make the turbo work. So it was super cool. Super cool guys over there. So check them out. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to follow my Volvo builds, some gaming content, inconsistent YouTube videos. And I appreciate all you guys for watching, and have a good night or day wherever you are. I have no idea.